This is Mr. Willis. I'm going to show you how to turn in a file or picture or something that you created outside of Google Drive to a Google Classroom assignment. Okay, so for example, in the Photoshop assignment, we don't do any work in the Google Drive stuff. We create everything in Photoshop. So how do we put it into this assignment? First thing you need to do is click on Open when you're looking at the assignment, so you get inside the actual assignment. Then, instead of using a Create like we did with the research project or one of those other ones, I want you to click on the Add button. Underneath the Add button are a couple of different options. In this case, we're going to add a file. You will do this for the Adobe Premiere project, the Photoshop project, the SketchUp project, the audiobook project, anything like that where you're using a program outside of Google Drive. Once I've clicked on the word File, it's then going to give me a box that says, okay, show us your file. And so to find it, I'm going to hit the button right here in the middle that says Select a File from your computer. Once I've done that, now I've got the actual kind of go find my file box. Now the quickest way to get to my folder is usually going to be to just use this drop down either at the top or to use the buttons over here on the left side of the screen. For the most part, a lot of our stuff that we create is either going to be in the Documents or Downloads folder. But please pay attention to your written directions so you know which folder to use. In this case, I'm going to go to my Downloads folder, and I had created a Captain America picture right here, and that's the one that I'm going to attach. So I will find that picture, click on it, click Open. Once I've opened it, I then have to hit the blue Upload button. It's uploading the picture, and then after just a second, the picture will appear here, and to officially turn it in, I hit the Turn In button. And it will say you're going to have this attachment, which is fine, so I'll turn it in. Now after I've done that, a lot of times while I'm doing this video with you, you might want to make a printout as well to take home, and so you can do that right from here. So I'll click on my picture, and when it comes up, I'm going to click on the little printer button up here, and there's two things you really want to check when you do this. Number one, make sure that the destination says either Taylor or Lucy. A lot of you have heard that. Those are our computer lab printers. The other thing is, notice how it's only kind of in the top half of the page. If you switch this layout from portrait to landscape, you'll usually get a picture that fills up the page much better. Once you've done that, you're free to hit the print button. So that's how you turn it in. Thanks.